Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment, and today I'm going to show you some samples that I've gotten. So let's start with Kshioe. I've shown a lot of things that I've gotten for Kshioe from my dog, and Kshioe sent me $15 off an order, and that's what this is, $15 off, $50 worth of stuff from Kshioe. And Kshioe's a really good company. I've gotten a lot of things from them. I also got $5 off of Beyond Organic Chicken, Egg, and Sweet Potato Recipe dog food. And this is at Kroger's, it's new. I received Honey Treasure Miracle Nectar Repair Leave-In Conditioner. And this is good for split ends. And they sent me a sample of Garnier Whole Blends Repair Leave-In. It's a miracle nectar. So it helps with moisture, detangle, repair split ends, tames frizziness, strengthen, restore softness, nourishes, protects against heat, reduce breakage, and improve management. Ooh, I got to try this. 10-in-1 care for all hair types. That's what this is. I got a sample box from Degree Dry Spray. It's called Ultra Clear Black and White. I got this. It's a sample. I also got Voltaren Arthritis Pain Cream. It's original prescription strength. I've seen this on TV, so I definitely want to use it. It's for knees, ankles, feet, elbows, wrists, hand. Is a medical gel, and I got that. I also got a sampler. Ooh, I need my knife. Ha ha! And in the sampler, bye-bye knife, I got Purcell Dis Laundry soap. And they sent me 2. And save coupon off $2 off of a disc. So these are my samples that I received that I wanted to share. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button if you want to be a honeybee. Honeybee.